The Supreme Court has stayed the implementation of the 3 new farm laws which were brought in by the Union government in 2020, against which various protests were taking place across the country. Farmers had also camped on the borders of Delhi since the past few months against the laws. The farmers wanted nothing less than revocation of these newly passed laws by the Union government. However, the stay which has been ordered by the top court is not infinite. The court made it clear that the stay will continue till further orders. Until then, a 4-member committee has been formulated to listen to the concerns which have to be raised by protesting farmers. Also, various farmers who have come in support of the new laws as well as the Union government will also be given a chance to present their stand before the committee, which is going to file its final report before the top court. Also, the timeline of the committee will be specified by the top court itself. The court is going to hear this case next on the 18th of January, while centre and various farmers supporting the new laws had opposed the stay. They had stated that there was nothing anti-farmer about these laws. The centre had submitted that various theories were being propagated over which rumors and myths needed to be dispelled by the Union government and various farmer groups. Also, the court made it clear that the suspension of the laws cannot be an empty suspension without a purpose, and the committee will not punish anyone for coming before it, and farmers can raise their concerns before the committee. Also, the Union government has been asked to file an affidavit on the banned organizations participating in the farmer protests after the Attorney General and Solicitor General had submitted that various banned organizations were trying to fan flames in the protests which were taking place and had suggested a foreign hand of various protesters with respect to funding, and had also cited that there were instances in which various banned organizations were putting up things online and were exhorting people to join protests in lieu of money. Also, various organizations who had moved the top court in support of the law had urged the top court not to stay the law, since the food processing industry will be affected, and they now would be presenting their stand before the committee. It was submitted by various lawyers that if a crop suffers damage, a farmer will have to pay compensation, and had rebutted claims made by the Union government that farmland was immune to the acts which were passed by the parliament with respect to the farm laws. The top court's stay on the implementation of the new laws is going to remain till further orders are passed. In this regard, it remains to be seen what further stand would be taken by farmer groups before the committee which has been formulated by the top court. The farmers till now have not agreed to listen to any degree of amendment which the government has been proposing, and have been bent upon only getting the laws repealed as early as possible.